Mema Obia Kwaba ever GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bramo. Kweku Annan on the Prophet Nigel Gaisie aye and simply just say aye tinja uja. Now so I'm the 70 years about. Let's just say so we now subscribe to the channel that Mr. Selva Diana was subscribe. We are being say over click it the subscribe button. Now what daily notification. Yes, sir. You for be there uploading also what's back be. I feel we are now give it on my thumbs up. Now feel what share my awful for so now when you be now one now who the airport so ever done I feel you call a semi. Kweku Annan yin in Kweku Annan kanina wodi duma won Net2 TV. See no duma di fu proper wodi aba if the front line. Na TV station na friend CTV ohona sisi Kweku Annan edini duma na wo beka ya abra no wo Net2 TV ohono wotinani se ya asofo no so ye wana si wana ye prophet so called prophet no otisi wana so na you say oba expose wo na when na ye Kweku Annan ba yes and new TV station ya ba ya friend CTV odini duma friend the front line media no di wona Net2 movie na wodi aba yes CTV hodo no na akoye ensemble Prophet Nigel Gaisie ono na ye prophetic chapel ye penya odano na ye Nigel Gaisie so say simbi Kweku Annan ko kafa no te se program ye wo ho no ebo so na no na te se wo tisi ye city wo ye nsembibri ta sabra na Kweku Annan ni ho ntimpenfo egina so tre na no na Kweku Annan ba wo de nsemo atudwa wo ho a wo te se Prophet Nigel Gaisie e be create no so wa de no for ye bema bomra te se nsembibri na yin Kweku Annan otire ni se ye asofo no so de nsembibri na betudwa na we na ye bo Kweku Annan mu a wo te se management edit to the say ye Prophet Nigel Gaisie the ba or the boys bi ba ho na Prophet Nigel Gaisie wo te se ono otu osaso bad boys te se boys di to trust them bi kwasa sem na no ono wo bi ba osaso otu a ono so obetimi di eduduma na we da Kweku Annan dem wo so ye bema on fan boys ne mra so otu ni ade a wo ye bema wo dem omra wo twen wo studio ho do omra na BBC AC wo te se ko ye ensemble na listen when you take Kweku Annan no musem ono ansem o de twia wo te se ye Prophet Nigel Gaisie de pio ho na threat ni ade a wo so che ono so che ne se ono so wa de no de o person bi bia omra wo twen wo studio ho nti ye Kweku Annan se de wo di sanse wo nyina etudwa nti ne se.
My attention was brought to some developing issue bi ewo ahase na assembly na ebepie ni kire se osofu bi a self-style so-called he called himself Prophet I don't stormed the offices of CMG na osofu ne ba na assembly say the front line aye program bi etia no aye nieme bi den na fahen na sin ha enti program na ya yetia no that is where he has his beef with Kweku Annan the host. Na one mutie no kodu mpempenso bi then my management in mpanimfo bi were looking forward to say bia if I may be around na metimi aba joining meeting but then quite far away from rich. Enti whatever said no beba be ka kire om no chese o ka na asem ko no yehwe na yedi yi etu yi. But then what I am detailed ends up on what he call a threat or issue here at the CMG and I say CTV and then the host of the frontline show Kweku Annan and went further to say oh no he has bad boys and two he has guns or two I'll bet me dia bonipa ekunkumom and it's a man shema nyoman to 2 years there then it's obvious say he may one day have to storm here with his bad boys and guns to do whatever it is. Now, I spoke to some senior management members and I said, one, on the back of the threat to the station can be taken by the station. Number two, the threats on my person, Kweku Annan personified, a threat on me, I will take it also on one hand, and we deal with it. Now, I am talking about also for Ben Obeyese, a man he calls that Onono the general overseer of Prophetic Hill Chapel, Eyora Nigel Gaisie. And will be this side Niamahu Seminole, any Nian Sohono, and was CTV Hasi. But I can only say for one that I'm glad, really much more than glad, that yesterday mentimi and join umu meeting. I'm glad. But folks, Mom say there is something Ghanaians mun bebre mun tiasio na mun tiasen so da and on my way atemu de bi beba. Oh yes. Bebre mun teni we bi asio. But I said again some time ago, say there shall be a day I may not be a journalist again. I may be somewhere appointed as a UN member be or something or some envoy be. A Ghana for mu be ye hey. Na orebi try say obeboa maya sanitize the Ghanaian society or hini na some de bia make say eya na eya mo say de bia mo politicians na say mo mind o. But sometimes give your politicians the break. Na mo fa mo ni nche until say me I stood up and challenged some of the men of God in this country somewhere in another media household, you know. Not many journalists didn't even know that there's a whole rot. The Christian body in Ghana, the Christian body in Ghana, some portion of the body of Christ is so rotten. And they don't have the sense of shame to even be bold enough and talk about it. When we say, some time ago, say, hey, until some started trying to expose men in the body of Christ, politicians, he said, they can even sponsor the murder of their own fellow man of God. Na me kan bebre man tiasie. Wo mo atumi sponsor o. Mo fellow man of God yenkokunu. Oh yes. Na be kan mo tiasie bi na me ka kire. That Nigel Gaisie stormed here with some men and said, our bad boys or if you our etuo a obetumi diaba ebedi sebe ewudie. Now question. Bisa ho. There was a time me bought tape bi tira mo say in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Zimbabwe, and many parts of the African nations, you know, and now who so-called these useless, unscrupulous rogues calling themselves men of God, who will be displaying bodyguards at their back. Other than that, ask yourself, who are you to go along with bodyguards? What are you doing? If onyankopon asemi ti umu, if onyankopon tumi ti umu a, what the bodyguard, what are you doing? And let me break the news to you. Me, Kweku, sitting here, talking. Ever since in my investigative journalism career, Mensah bodyguard in 90 that complaints are about beyond reason. Now face a avenue, too easy for you to come and invade my privacy. Try it. Mama, a challenge. Try it. Bodyguard me there. Anytime I will sit in whichever car I have to drive, there can never be a bodyguard in my car, not even a dear machu. Why? Because when you know what, listen, the truth is like a thunder that comes like a two-edged sword, and when it hits, it splash. And that is what these people of color hate it in Africa. And I stand for it. I'm not a righteous person, but me and I catch the and now tonight, and come issue, me say I will come and deal with this issue separately in the coming days. I'm not going to let it go easy. But Kwabena Agyapong, let me warn you through my camera. Alright, Nigel Gaisie, the general overseer of the Prophetic Hill Chapel, tonight, I accept your challenge. And again, I am here at CTV and I look at my time. 22:08. I'm waiting here. My deal too much to show between and the next day. The man in you, Bema won't too much with your guns and your radicals to storm CTV here. Maba, I'm here. I'm going to close at 10 o'clock and I'm waiting here. If you don't come, I'll come and tell Ghanaians, when Timiamba. And that begins your what? Your cowardness and rogueness, your rascalness and your ragamuffiness. That is nothing to write home about. Madel, beyond reasonable doubt. Come. Me 10 o'clock. Let your men come. I swear the heavens. So who want your casualty? What sorry for na ye the next day? Call me a coward. Mo yare. Ate. Mon san fua. Wo Nigel Gaisie. Ko shinibe mate sa. Abrabeniti. Wo be jina CTV. Na wa be threaten. Hey. Net2 TV. But let me tell you what. Even though you think that you have a certain closeness with this organization, and the way out, aha na wanhwe ni ya wo hu w'anim begu ase mo Kwabena yi Kwabena abodin say mesi aha ene wanhwe a w'anim begu ase mo
yo waiting for when and somewhere here Kweku Annan edituga watch say a prophet Nigel Gaisie already who so a prophet or just a self star on all the two to no the prophet emmanuel then no na ko ye sembe bri I watch say Kweku Annan can some fa no ho the boy I know so I don't know what you say or the over bad boys or boys who are was also with you to say obes tomo a city hodom then no na Kweku Annan dia tuga wadan sembe bri on so there no so e bema so wo mra wo kan and na ko ye sembe bri galamsey you see this so and I will so we don't subscribe ya Mr. say over subscribe no like it na wa share video no ma ofofro so enye bi na wa hwet also bitimi ache wa din na fa ye and so we nyina ho e wo comment box ni owati linka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.